Today we are going to discuss the chapter surface area and volume. In the last video we already discussed about the cuboid and its volume. So in the series of this, next solid figure is the cylinder, or we can say this right circular cylinder. So little surface area of cylinder, this one are curved surfaces. Later surface of cylinder are curved. Okay, the upper part and the lower part, this upper surface and the lower surface, these are circular. Just like we have many figures like this, just like the containers and the gas cylinder, and like this figure. So these are the little surfaces of the cylinder. These are curved, and the upper and the lower surfaces are circular. Okay, the line joining the center of two circles, the line joining the center, this is one circle and this is the upper circle. So the line joining the centers of these two surfaces, these two centers of the circle, is called the axis. This is known as the axis of the cylinder, and this axis is perpendicular to the diameter or the radius. So that's why this type of cylinder is known as right circular cylinder. This axis is perpendicular to the radius or the diameter, hence we call this right circular cylinder. Okay, so here also we are having the curved surface area, the total surface area, and the volume. So this is curved surface area. So here we are having a rectangular paper, suppose, or rectangular piece of cardboard, A, B, C, D. So now what we will do, we just join the surfaces AD, this side AD and BC, both together. Okay, so we will join them together like this. हम इसे fold कर रहे हैं. This is AD and this side is BC. हम उसे fold करके पास ला रहे हैं. और हमने यहाँ क्या किया, in third figure we have coincide these two parts. हमने ऐसे rotate कर दिया like this along with AD and BC. So AD and BC, और यहाँ आकर वो दोनों merge हो गए हैं, AD and BC. So this becomes the height of the cylinder. जिसके around आपने rotate किया, that side is known as the height of the cylinder. And this is the part, is the circular part. This is upper part, is a circular part. It means AB here becomes the circle like this. AB becomes the circle and this becomes CD. CD is the also in the circular shape. So hence side AB, because this is in the circular shape, if you find the length of the circular shape, that is known as the circumference. That is a 2 pi r. Okay. If h is a height and the base is the circumference, that is 2 pi r, then the area of ABCD. What will be the area of ABCD? You know that the rectangular piece is length and breadth. Okay, that is AB and here is AD. AB we are having here 2 pi r and height we are having here h. So it becomes 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. The figure is open from the upper two ends, upper end and the lower end. From both the ends the figure is open. There is no lid, just like the container. This is without lid and bottom. So this is the rectangular base. So curved surface area of cylinder, the rectangular base is the base of the cylinder. If we just join or coincide the two sides, then it becomes a cylinder. The side to which we will rotate becomes height, other side becomes as a circumference. Okay, now the total surface area of the cylinder, ये तो है ही हमारे पास. हमने इसके ऊपर एक लिड ऊपर से और एक लिड नीचे से, तो हमने दोनों तरफ से दो सर्कुलर पार्ट काटे और एक ऊपर लगा दिया, एक नीचे लगा दिया. So if the radii of the top and the base suppose is r, radius will remain same. So total surface area of cylinder it is equals curved surface area, ये तो रहेगा ही, ऊपर से एक लिड आ गया सर्कुलर और नीचे से एक पार्ट आ गया सरफेस पार्ट. Surfaces, the two circular surfaces are here with radii r. So curved surface area plus area of base plus area of top. So curved surface area, we are already having 2 pi r h. This curved area of base is pi r square. Area of top is again pi r square because the radius is same. Now the 2 pi r h, it becomes 2 pi r square. 2 pi common, 2 pi r can be common here. It remain here h, it remains here r. This is the total surface area. I mean the figure is completely closed. Means container is completely closed. Container में base भी है और ऊपर lid भी लगा हुआ है. And the volume of cylinder is equals to L into B into H होता है हमारे पास. So area of base multiply height. So this is the area of the base. Area of base, because base is circular. Circular means area is pi r square, height is h, so we are having here pi r square h. Okay, now one more thing is there. If we have a hollow cylinder, a closed solid formed by two cylinder of same height. ये दो सिलेंडर हैं, एक बाहर है और एक ये अंदर है. तो there are two cylinders. If there are two cylinders and the height is same and same axis is also same, is called a hollow cylinder. A closed solid formed by two cylinders of same height and same axis is called a hollow cylinder. Now what will be the volume of this hollow cylinder? Volume of external part minus volume of internal part. पूरे part में से अगर हम ये वाला part subtract करते हैं, so we will get the volume of the hollow cylinder. That is, if the radius of the outer cylinder is capital R, radius of the inner cylinder from the axis, this is small r, and the height is same for both. So pi r square h minus pi r small square h. So this we are having the volume of the hollow cylinder. If we have to find the curved surface area of the hollow cylinder, so curved surface area of external cylinder plus curved surface area of the internal, because hollow का मतलब है कि figure तो यहाँ बना हुआ है, बाहर हमारे पास एक सिलेंडर है, तो दैट इज अ कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ एक्सटर्नल सिलेंडर. अंदर से हमने एक स्कूप किया है, इस सिलेंडर को क्या किया है, स्कूप बाहर निकाला है. मीन्स इम्प्रेशन तो वहाँ है. इट मीन्स ये वॉल भी है और ये वॉल भी है, तो इम्प्रेशन तो रहेगा. अगर हम ये देखेंगे तो ये पूरा सिलेंडर हमारे पास है, दिस वन एंड दिस वन कंप्लीट. तो इट मीन्स एरिया, कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ दिस एक्सटर्नल पार्ट एंड प्लस कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ दिस इंटरनल पार्ट. तो ये दोनों वॉल हमारे पास रहेंगी, इसलिए हम दोनों को क्या करेंगे, ऐड करेंगे. सो दैट्स वाई वी आर हैविंग हियर 2 पाई आर एच प्लस 2 पाई स्मॉल आर एच. सो 2 पाई कैन बी कॉमन आउट, here is remain, and h also common out. Here is remain capital R, here is remaining here small r. Now the total surface area, this is the curved surface area. Now the total surface area of the hollow cylinder, उसमें curved surface area तो आई गई, लेकिन साथ में दोनों ends का area भी आ जाएगा. This part ये भी हमारे पास आ जाएगा. तो हमारे पास आ गया 2 pi r plus r. This is the curved surface area of the cylinder plus यहाँ हमारे पास आता है area of two ends, दोनों एंड्स का एरिया. एरिया कौन सा, ये जो कलर्ड है, सिर्फ इतना, ये वाला नहीं है क्योंकि तो होलो है, यहाँ कुछ है ही नहीं. तो दिस वन, दिस पार्ट, तो आउटर सर्कल का एरिया माइनस इनर सर्कल का एरिया. सो दिस पार्ट वी विल गेट, यहाँ पर जो रिंग बना है उसका एरिया हमारे पास आ जाएगा. तो 2 पाई, क्योंकि ऊपर भी है और नीचे भी है, तो इसलिए हमें लेना पड़ेगा 2 पाई कैपिटल आर स्क्वायर माइनस 2 pi small r square. So 2 pi can be common, r square minus r square minus r can be written r plus r minus r. From both we are having 2 pi capital R plus small r, both can be common. Here is remaining h, here is remaining capital R minus r. So this we can use if we have the hollow cylinder, the volume, the surface area and the total surface area. Now let's begin the exercise. That is the 13.2. The very first question is here. The curved surface area of the arc cylinder of height 14 centimeter is 88. Total curved surface area is given to us 88 and the height is given 14 centimeter. Find the die of the base of the slender. So this we are having CSA of the curved right circular cylinder. It is 88. Height is given, diameter we have to find. So we know that CSA is equals to 2 pi RH. Okay, so 2 into pi, what we have, 22 upon 7. R, that is we don't have. Height, what we have, 14. And CSA is given here 88. So we will write it here. Okay, now this can be 17 twos are. So 88 is equals to, if we multiply 2, this is 44 and 2, 88. So this is 88 R. So R is equals to 88 divided by 88, that we are having 1. So radius is 1 centimeter. But what we have to find? The diameter. So diameter of the right circular, the diameter of the slender, right circular cylinder is equals to 2 into R. That is 2 into 1 is equals to 2 centimeter. So this is the first question. Now we are having the second question is there. In second question, it is given that it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter. Base dia is given, so we can find the height, that is 140. Diameter is 140, radius will be 70 centimeter. How many square meters of the sheet are required for the same? This is a closed cylindrical tank, so we have to find the total surface area. Okay, you can do this. Third question. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. Inner dia is given 4 centimeter. Outer is given 4.4. It means this is a hollow cylinder, because two radiuses are given, the internal and external. So it is a hollow cylinder. Now we have to find the inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area, and the total surface area of the figure. It is not like that total, it is the total surface area of this figure. That is a hollow cylinder. So what we are given? We are given here the inner diameter, that is 4 centimeter. So we can find here inner radius. Inner radius is equals 4 by 2, that is 2 centimeter. And it is given outer diameter, that is outer radius. Outer radius is equals 4.4 divided by 2, that is 2.2 centimeter or meter. It is given centimeter. So this will write here centimeter. Now we have to find the inner curved surface area in the very first part. Direct formula we have, that is equals to 2 pi RH. So R, inner और outer दोनों के लिए हम अलग अलग ले लेते हैं. Inner के लिए हम small r यूज़ करते हैं, outer के लिए हम capital R. So 2 pi RH. R is same. So 2 into 22 upon 7. R is given 2, height is given 77. So this can be 11. So if we multiply this, this is 44 and 88, 11 multiplied, then we have here 968 centimeter square. Now the second part is given. In second part we have to find the outer outer CSA. This is inner CSA, outer CSA. Outer CSA with outer radius. 2 into 22 upon 7. R is given 2.2 multiply 77. This can be cut. Similarly here we have 484 into 2 and into 11. That is equals to, this 10 can be removed out, and here we are having 10648 upon 10, or we can write here 1064.8 centimeter square. This is. Now for the third part. In third part we have to find the total surface area. What is this total surface area? Total surface area is equals to, this is the internal surface area, that is the first part, plus the outer curved surface area, that is the second part, and plus the area of the rings, that is equals to 2 pi into r square minus small r square. This is रिंग का जो एरिया, एक रिंग ऊपर है और एक रिंग नीचे है, एक रिंग यहाँ बनेगा, एक रिंग यहाँ बनेगा। तो रिंग का एरिया जब हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे, दिस वन, if you find the area of this ring. Okay, so this 2 pi RH directly we are having 968, this is directly we are having 1064.8 plus 2 into 22 upon 7, this we can write as R plus R and R minus R. Okay, if we add these two, here we are having 0.8 2 3 0 2 2032.8. This is, we have the total of these two, plus 2 into 22 upon 7 multiply R is given, capital R is given 2.2, small r is given 2, this is 2.2 minus 2. So we are having here 2032.8 plus 2 into 22 upon 7, this becomes 4.2 and this becomes 2. So this will be 0.6. 2032.8 plus 6 2s are 12 and it is 44. 44 and 12. This we have 5.28. Like this. If we add these two, we are having 20. This is 0.28, 0.08. If we add these two, 802 10. So 32, we are having 2038.08 centimeter square. This is the complete total surface area of the figure. Now the next question is there. Question number 4. The die of a roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. It takes 500 revolutions to move one's cover to over to level a playground. Find the area of the playground in meter square. So रोलर जो होता है वो ऐसे ये वाली सरफेस, लेटरल सरफेसेस टच करती हैं इधर से और इधर से, मतलब दोनों साइड अगर ये रोलर है तो इट विल बी गो लाइक दिस. ओके, ये सरफेस और ये सरफेस से कोई मतलब नहीं है. सो इट मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड द टोटल सरफेस एरिया, सॉरी कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. वी हैव टू फाइंड द कर्व्ड. ये कर्व्ड जा रहा है, कर्व जा रहा है ऐसे करके, तो ये हमारा कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. इस साइड से और इस साइड से कोई मतलब नहीं है, क्लोज्ड है, लेकिन ये साइड टच नहीं करी है, तो वी हैव टू फाइंड हियर द कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. सो डायमीटर दिया हुआ है हमें 84, रेडियस वी कैन फाइंड 84 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, दैट इज 42 centimeter. Okay, this is 42 centimeter. Length is given 120. It takes 500 revolutions. So we will find here the CSA of the ruler is equals to 2 pi RH, that is 2 into 22 upon 7. R is given 42, H is given 120. So 7 6. So this will be 720 into 44 that we are having here, or we can multiply these two. 44 into 6, that is 264 into 120, that is 31680 centimeter square. Okay, now we have to find area of roller, area in meter square, area of playground leveled in 500 revolutions, that is equals to 31680 multiply 500, because we have to convert this centimeter into meter square, so multiply by 10,000. Zeros can be cancelled, this 0 can be cancelled, and we are having here 5 2s are 10, and this can be right here 1 5 8 4. This much of centimeter square is the area of the playground in meter square. Okay, now the next question is there. We can do this question. Fifth question, a cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in dia and 3.5 meter in height. Find the cost of painting the curved surface area. So radius we can find, height is given, so we can find the CSA and then multiply this 12.50. So we can do this. CSA of a right circular cylinder is 4.4 meters square. If the radius of the base of the cylinder is 0.7, find its height. So this is just like the first question that we have done. CSA is given. In that we have found first, we have found radius and then diameter. Here radius is given, so we have to find the height. The inner dia of a circular well is 3.5 and the radius height is given, that is a depth is given 10 meter. So inner curved surface area, because this is inner diameter is given, so we will get the inner radius. So we can find the inner curved surface area, and whatever is the area, that can be multiplied by the 40. So we get the answer. In a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter and dia is 5 centimeter. Find the total radiating surface. Radiating surface ये रहती है, ये वाली. ऊपर बेस से हमें कोई मतलब नहीं है, तो वी विल फाइंड हियर द कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द रॉड. नाउ दिस इज गिवन 9th क्वेश्चन. The little or curved surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank that is 4.2 meter in dia and 4.5 meter in height. Okay, so we have to find the little surface area. Diameter of tank is given 4.2 meter. So we can find the radius. 4.2 divided by 2, that is 2.1. Okay, CSA of the tank, that is equals to 2 pi RH. So 2 into 20 or 2 upon 7, R is given 2.1, height is given 4.5. So we are having 0.3. So 44 into 0.3 and 4.5, we are having here 59.4 meter square. Okay. Now for the second part, how much steel was used? This is given. How much steel was actually used if 1 upon 12 the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank. For this part, second part, we have to find the total surface area. So total surface area is 2 pi r into r plus h, that is 2 into 22.7. R is given 2.1, r is given 2.1, height is given 4.5. This can be here 0.3. So multiply 44, 0.3, this we can add 6.6. So we are having here 87.12 meter square. Now for this part, how much steel was actually used, we have to tell. If 1 upon 12th of the steel used was wasted, so let the actual area of the steel used be x meter square. Okay, so area of steel that was wasted is equals x upon 12 meter square, right? Now we will find area of steel used. हम टोटल में से इस वेस्टेड को माइनस कर देते हैं. If we'll take LCM here, so we will get 12 minus 1, that is 11 upon 12x meter square. This steel was actually used, and this will be equal to this one. So according to question, 11 upon 12x is equals to 87.12, that is the total surface area. So x is equals to 87.12 upon, this can be transposed 11 into 12. If we multiply 11 and 12 and this one, we get here 104.544 divided by 11. This can be 11 nines are 99, 14 minus 5, 55.0 and 4, 95.04 meter square. This is the actually steel used. Now the next question is their 10th. You see the frame of a lampshade, it is to be covered with a decorative cloth. The frame has a base dia 20 centimeter. Okay, the question is 10th. It is given frame has a base diameter is equals to 20. So radius of base is equals to 20 upon 2, that is 10 centimeter. Okay, and the height. height of the frame is equals to 30 centimeter. So we have to find a margin of 2.5 centimeter is given for folding it over the top and base of the top. दोनों तरफ ऊपर और नीचे 2.5 का margin लेकर चलना है. Find how much cloth is required for covering the lampshade. Okay. Now height, total height of frame of lampshade is equals 30 तो उसका अपना है, 2.5 मार्जिन ऊपर, 2.5 मार्जिन नीचे. So we are having here 35 centimeter. Right. Now cloth required for covering the lampshade. Right, that is equals to simple curved surface area 2 pi RH, 22 upon 7. Radius is given here 10 and height is given 35. So 7 5s are 35. 5 2s are 10. 10 10 100 and 22, that is equals to 2200 centimeter square. This much of cloth is required. The last question is the students of Vidyalaya are asked to participate in a competition and decorating pen holder in the shape of a cylinder with a base using cardboard. Each pen holder was to be radius 3 centimeter. Radius of the 11th question, radius of pen holder, this is the cylindrical pen holder, that is equals to 3 centimeter, and height of the cylindrical pen holder is 10.5 centimeter, and the it is having base not top. The Vidyalaya was to be supply the competitors with a cardboard. 35 competitors are there. How much cardboard is required? So here we are having surface area of one pen holder, that is equals to curved surface area plus base. This is the base, top नहीं है उसमें. So here we can common pi r we can common here. This is 2h plus r. Now put the values. 22 upon 7, r is given 3, 2 into h is given 10.5 plus r is given 3. That is 22 upon 7 into 3. This is 21 plus 3. So 22 upon 7 into 3 into 24. That is equals to 66 into 24. 1584 upon 7 centimeter. Now area of sheet used by 35 competitors is equals 1584 upon 7 into 35, that is 5, and if we multiply 22, then here 2, 25, and here is 9, 1 5 is 7. 7920 centimeter square cardboard is required. So this exercise is completed. So now you just do all these questions in your fair notebook, and the next turn we will discuss about the volume of the cylinder. Till then, just learn the formula and do the exercise along with the examples. Thank you so much.